How to draw the big red panda. We are going to begin by drawing an oval-like shape that is not connected at the top. Then inside of that space, we are going to draw another oval-like shape that curves in towards the middle at the bottom. At the top of this oval-like shape, we are going to draw a small triangle for the nose, and then a line that connects that triangle down to the middle of the smaller oval. Great start, learn how to draw hub crew. Next, we are going to draw a curved line at the bottom of the bigger oval for the tongue. Then at the top of that bigger oval, we are going to draw the teeth. We will start at the left side by drawing a backwards J-like shape. Then we will draw a line going towards the right, and then a small curved line coming down for another longer tooth, and then a line going towards the right connecting to the right side of the mouth. Awesome job! Now we are all done drawing the nose and mouth. Next we are going to draw the eyes. For the right eye, we will start by drawing a circle-like shape connecting to the nose. Then we will draw a half circle at the bottom of that circle-like shape. We will draw a small curved line towards the top right corner, and then color the rest of the eye in black, leaving the smaller circle white. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Next, we are going to draw the left eye the same way. Awesome job! For the next step of drawing our big red panda, we are going to draw the eyebrows. First we will draw the left one by drawing a small half-like circle shape above the left eye. Then we will do the same thing above the right eye. Great job! Next, we are going to draw the pieces of fur on the big red panda's face that are white on the sides by the cheeks. For this, we are going to draw curved shapes with little zigzags in them so it looks like fur. Then we are going to draw an even bigger curved line outside of the one that we just drew. Looks awesome! Now we are going to draw that same shape on the left side of the face. Next, we are going to draw a big curved line for the top of the head that will connect to the fur on each side of the face that we just drew. At the middle on top of the head, we are going to draw some curved lines for detail in the fur. Looks awesome! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Next we are going to draw the right ear. For this we are going to draw a triangle-like shape coming off the top of the right side of the head, but we're going to draw some curved lines towards the bottom for the fur. Right here is where we are going to start drawing the curved lines. Then we are going to draw a curved line inside of the ear for detail. Looks great! Now we are going to draw the left ear the same way. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're all done drawing the face. Next, we are going to begin drawing the body. For this, we will first draw the right arm. For the right arm, we are going to draw a diagonal line connecting to the bottom of the right side of the face. Then at the top of that, we are going to draw a round shape beginning the paw. Above that, we are going to draw another round shape with a line going towards the right. Then at the end of the line, we will draw one more round shape with a line going downwards for the right side of the arm. Now we are going to go back to that straight line and we are going to draw two round shapes on top of it. Awesome job! Now at the palm of the paw, we are going to draw an oval. Then inside of each one of those round shapes, we are going to draw a small circle. Then near the bottom of the arm, we are going to draw a line with waves in it going across right here. Next, we are going to draw a long line going downwards from the right arm for the right side of the body. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Next, we are going to draw the left arm. We will start on the left side of the face and draw a small line going upwards and then start the round shapes for the paw. From here, we are going to draw the rest of the arm the same way that we drew the right one. Again, we are going to draw an oval in the middle of the paw and circles in each one of the round shapes. Then to finish the arm, we are going to draw a line going across with small waves in it. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now from that arm, we are going to extend the line a little bit more And then we are going to draw the left side of the body, starting at the left side of the face with some curved lines going downwards, connecting to the arm, and swooping downwards with a big curve. From that line, we are going to start drawing the left leg. First, we will draw an upside down U-leg shape coming from the left side of that curved line. Then, to the left of that, we are going to draw 4 small humps for the toes. Then we will draw a curved line coming downwards for the side of the foot. And an oval near the heel of the foot. And then we will draw 1 small circle inside of the hump for each one of the toes. Great job! Now from the bottom of that foot, we are going to draw a big curved line going towards the right. Then from that curved line, we are going to draw a backwards J-like shape to start the right leg. Then we are going to draw a curved line connecting the right side of the body to the top of that backwards J-leg shape. At the bottom of the foot, we are going to draw 4 small curved lines to separate the toes. Our drawings are looking awesome! Learn how to draw hub crew, and we only have a few more steps left. Next, we are going to go and add some detailed lines throughout the fur of our panda. Looks awesome! I love where you added your detailed lines. Now we are going to draw the whiskers. There will be 3 on each side of the face. Now the final step will be to draw the big red panda's tail. We will start at the bottom of the right foot and draw some curved lines going towards the left that curve around and connect back to the red panda's body. looks awesome. Now we are going to draw some lines going across the tail. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings came out awesome and I can't wait to see them, so make sure to share on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub. Also, if this video helped you out, give it a big like below and stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.